They're gonna be interested on how you did it. Kakaiba. Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Cajun Sauce by Lolita's Kitchen for sending us their products. Actually, ito po yung mga products nila. So, these comes in these bottle servings as well as yung Cajun seasoning nila in this kind of serving. Grabe, they are kind enough for us to try yung mga suggested servings on how we can enjoy these products. Now, this one is a Cajun chicken wings. Very lovely. And then on our side, two sides actually, is yung seafood boil natin. Napaka-simple po ng mga preparation if you want to enjoy this at the comfort of your home. In order to help you guys sa mga seafood, order natin yung Cajun sauce ni Lolita's Kitchen. Now, I wanna share with you guys kung paano ba, how to prepare an easy seafood boil recipe. So you're gonna need 2 lemons, corn, cut it into 4, 1/4 kilograms of potatoes, 1 kilogram of shrimp or any seafood you wanna mix. You're also gonna want, you're gonna want a half kilogram of sausage or longanisa, whichever you prefer, and then 250 grams of Cajun sauce natin. So for every 1 kilogram of seafood mix plus yung mga ingredients na sinabi natin kanina, you're gonna need 1 bottle of Cajun sauce. So these comes with the regular or yung spicy natin. Almost just mixing up and then you're gonna arrive this lovely pan right here. Ayan. Wow. Oh man, this is lovely. Now for the chicken wings, 1 kilogram of chicken wings. And then for the rubbing, yung seasoning natin, it only requires 30 grams of this. So this is 100 grams. This can accommodate up until 3 kilograms of chicken wings. The preparation, rub it to the chicken wings, leave it for 30 minutes. And then you can either bake, air fry, or pan fry right after that. It's gonna be so lovely. Anyway, let me start. I wanna start with this one, chicken wings. Chicken wings muna tayo kasi I wanna save the best for last dun sa mga ano natin. Seafood mix natin. Oh. Grabe, ang bango. Oh wow. So, I mean, it's a different setup, it's a different flavor for the, regular na chicken wings natin. This one has grabe yung flavor. It has different kinds of flavors, guys. You know what? I bet kung pin-prepare nyo to sa bahay and then your friends or visitors gonna come, they're gonna be interested on how you did it. Kakaiba. With the seafood, I wanna squeeze this lemon right here. So this one has shrimp. Of course, meron tayong crabs. It has baby potatoes and then sausage. Oh, look at that sausage. Oh, I think it's longanisa. Or in between. Para siyang ganun. Para siyang longanisa. Now, some baby potatoes. Are you ready for the crab? Guys, are you ready for the crab? I can't hear you. Oh. Oh, what? Look at that. Look at that crab. Of course, any kind of, crab you opt to or prefer, pwedeng-pwede naman po yan. At the end of the day, you're still gonna enjoy that love Cajun recipe from Lolita's Kitchen. Oh. Whew. Sarap nito. Wow. Oh, grabe yung white meat. Yan, it almost like, how do I explain it? It almost melts in your mouth. Now let's try yung kanilang mga shrimp, like this one. Then normally, I just pinch yung yung tail niya. Then almost. See, that's almost in a half. Yan. And then, isa na lang nun. All at once. Diba? Life hack! So, what I wanna do is still dip it dito sa natin, sa Cajun sauce natin. Let me dip it. Right here, guys. There you go. Let me dip it here. Plus, kinamay ko na talaga, no? Plus, some baby potatoes. Yan. All at once. Oh yeah, so I think these are parang national longganisa. I think so. Oh yeah, they are. No need to worry if you don't have like sausage, yung mga important sausage, no? Local longganisa lang pala is, it can suffice, pwede na. Oh man. That is so. One more shrimp. One more shrimp, guys. So again, let me detach the tail. I just pinch this one and then hilain natin. Almost. Almost, guys. And then, there we go. Let me dip it again sa sauce natin. Oh man, this is... Thanks so much, Lolita's Kitchen. Right, so there you have it, guys. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the food with my family. Of course, mas masarap yung may kasamang kumakain dito. But then again, we would like to thank Lolita's Kitchen for sending us, grabe, such a generous partner po sa video na to. If you wanna check them out, we're gonna be providing the numbers below as well as the fan page that you need to contact, guys. If you wanna be distributor or reseller, I don't know, probably they negotiate with them, please, if you're interested to do business with them. So there you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys. Yaman na.